So I got a new stove. My other stove has been acting up. This is a Samsung. I wanted LG, but they didn't have the type I want, and I really needed one. So this one has something I like, like the favorite cook, the self-clean, roast, bake. Look at that, it even has dehydrates, breadproof. Wow, guys, I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. It wasn't too expensive. I mean, a little over $800 kind of. Yeah, I'm waiting for them to come fix it. They should be here any minute. This came with a lot of. Ooh. What is this one for though? Oh, I think from this I should know. This is the manual. What is this? Oh, okay. This is like a grill, a griddle. Yeah, you put it like. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, you sit it right here, and then you can grill your fish and all that. This is cool, guys. Let's see inside. It's big enough, to fit whatever. I thought this was gonna be blue actually, because I wanted the one that has blue in it, but apparently this is gray. But it's alright. The knobs are super big. I really like this, because now I get to grill whatever and then cook at the same time. Look at that. Now I can prove my bread in here. I don't have to worry if the weather is super cold. And the stainless steel, at least I'm gonna get a stainless steel white. It's nice, guys. I've been wanting to buy a stove, but I kept putting it off. And I finally did it. Yeah. So anyways, this is my New Year gift to myself. My brand new Samsung stove. So let's get cooking. Thank you guys for watching this. Subscribe for more videos, more cooking, more vlogging, more everything. Hope you are all doing great. So see you on the next video, guys. Bye.